Hola, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about the cage valve receives this denomination due to its cage shape, either with the holes arranged in a fixed cage inside which the obturator slides, in which case it is called a fixed valve, or with holes in the obturator, in which case it is called a mobile cage valve. Fixed cage valves may have the orifices machined in such a way that the stroke flow rate obtained by moving the plug provides the desired flow characteristics. On the other hand, they allow an easy disassembly of the obturator and favor the stability of the operation by incorporating holes that practically eliminate the imbalance of forces produced by the differential pressure of the fluid. For this reason, this type of balance plug is used in large valves or when working with a high differential pressure. As the plug is contained within the cage, the valve is highly resistant to vibration and wear. On the other hand, the obturator can have graphitized rings that sit against the cage and thus allow a tight seal to be achieved. However, it is not the right valve when the fluid is sticky, viscous, or contains suspended solids, since the flow tends to get between the obturator and the cage and can lead to obstructions and seizures. This valve, also called a gate valve, closes with a flat vertical disc, or a special one, which moves vertically to the flow of the fluid. Due to its layout, it is generally suitable for all-nothing control, since in intermediate positions it tends to block. It has the advantage of presenting very little resistance to fluid flow when in the fully open position, and is, therefore, characterized by a low pressure drop. The Y valve has its seat and plug inclined at 45 degrees to the fluid flow. If the body is installed horizontally, it is difficult to disassemble the internal parts inclined at 45 degrees relative to the horizontal. It is suitable as a shut-off and control valve. As an on-off valve, it is characterized by its low pressure drop, and as a control valve, it has a high flow capacity. It has a self-draining feature when it is installed tilted at a certain angle. It is usually used in cryogenic installations. The split body wall valve is a modification of the single seat glove valve, having the body split into two parts between which the seat is pressed. This arrangement allows for easy seat replacement and facilitates a smooth fluid flow with no dead space in the body. It is mainly used for viscous fluids and in the food industry. In the Saunders or diaphragm valve, the obturator is a flexible membrane that, through a stem attached to a servomotor, is forced against the projection of the body, which acts as a seat, thus closing the flow of fluid. This valve is characterized in that the body can be easily covered with rubber or plastic to work with aggressive fluids. The disadvantage that the drive servomotor must be very powerful. It is mainly used in difficult chemical processes, particularly in the handling of black or aggressive fluids or in the control of fluids containing suspended solids. The compression valve works by pinching two or more flexible elements, for example, a rubber tube. Like the Saunders or diaphragm valves, it is characterized by the fact that it provides optimum control in the partial closure position and is fundamentally applied in the handling of corrosive, viscous, or black fluids containing suspended particles. And well, this will be all for today's video. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and share. I upload videos every Wednesday in Spanish and every Friday in English. Adiós!